have seen that light. How did we come about this magic? We opened our doors for negotiation. We opened our doors for free opportunities, knowing fully well that government cannot do it alone. We had to invite people that are ready to invest in our state. I make bold to say it, Rivers State is an heaven for investment. What we are doing today is to let the world know, not what you hear in the radio or what you see on your screen, the television. Rivers State is not safe, there is crisis. Rivers State is safe and secure for anybody, anywhere to come and invest. Your investment is safe in our hands. I want to thank the MD of TAP Global Africa, who didn't have any fear, even in the face of what we are navigating. He didn't shake. When I called him, I hope this our arrangement we are still going on with. He said, no, I shouldn't be worried that he's coming to continue with the arrangement. So I'm happy that he has that confidence in this government. For our people, I want to assure you, our governance has nothing to do with fighting anybody. Our governance is to take care and defend our people. I can assure you here that this is the beginning of our service to the people of Rivers State. It is not service to big men like me. It is service to the people, those poor people, those low-income earners. That is the people we want to stand with, and we are standing with them from today. I want to also say it here. Let it also be my own commitment. This facility, once it commences and gets to the stage of allotment, it will go to those rightful people. And not one big man to allocate to his own family. It will be transparent so that the needed people will access it and benefit from it. So let me thank every one of you that have come today to be part of this history. It is important to be part of history, and moreover, positive history. The history we are making today is history of assurance that we stand with our people, we will continue to protect our people, we will continue to provide for our people. Let me, on this note, invite our leaders, the MD of TAP Global Africa, for the groundbreaking slope, flag off, so that our people will know that we are serious. You know, I don't believe in only coming to do this occasion. I want to assure you that we are going to come to commission the first phase of it in the next couple of months, to show our commitment and to show our seriousness to this project.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.